Looking for a healthy, gluten-free alternative to noodles? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we create delicious and nutritious recipes. Today we're going to be making spinach and garlic spaghetti squash. Begin by taking 1 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just depending on how spicy you want your dish to be. And then mix them together. Scrape out the seeds and then brush the inside with some olive oil. If you don't have a brush, simply spread the oil on with your hands. Then sprinkle 1 or 2 pinches of your salt and cayenne pepper onto your squash. Place your squash cut side down onto a baking sheet. Bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for 40 to 50 minutes or until your squash has softened and the top will probably sink in just a little bit. Now we're ready to make our spaghetti noodles. So it's super easy. Just take your fork and scrape out the inside of the squash. And you can eat your squash noodles just like they are, or you can continue on with the recipe. In a large skillet or pot over medium heat, you want to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When your olive oil is hot, we're going to add in about 3/4 cup of sliced leek. Now, if you don't have leeks, you can always substitute with scallions or onions. 4 to 6 chopped up garlic cloves. And then sprinkle with 1 to 2 pinches of your salt and cayenne mixture. Saute up your onions and your garlic until they're nice and soft, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. And then add in your spinach, along with 1/4 cup of either vegetable or chicken broth. Cook just until your spinach starts to wilt. And then we're ready to add in our spaghetti noodles and toss it together, serving it up warm. Okay, we're ready to give this squash a try. That's a really nice flavor. You know what I would do though? I would add in more vegetables. I would definitely double the spinach, and you could add in more things like peppers and mushrooms just to give it a little bit more oomph. Also, if you want to add some protein, some chicken in there would be delicious. I don't know if you've tried spaghetti squash before, but it's got a mildly sweet flavor. It's really nice, and I would definitely up your cayenne pepper. This is so fun. I hope you give this a try. And you know what? You could get real creative and actually serve it in the leftover shells from the squash. How fun is that? Give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, I appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another delicious and inspiring recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.